to the extent that it's no longer a threat to our society.
MCAs County ma Kakamega dwaro mondo piny owacho chiw jorit ne MCAs kaka jotelo mamoko kaka yo mar ketonegi arita kwe. Magibiro odiochieng' achiel kende tok MCA ward ma Makunga Malaha e Songo Peter Walunya ne omonj kendo padi kod jod bura ma Mumias East Peter Salasya tok pogruok e paro e iko more gweng' ma Maraba kar chung' od burano. Gikoni bedo maonge kod jorit ema omiyo moko kuom jotelo chayo MCAs kendo monjo gi kinde ka kinde ka gidwaro mondo migi rit kaka jotelo mamoko moyier. Salasya ne omaki kendo we thuolo kod rambun mar gana 50 seche ma nonro dhi nyime.
Honorable PK lands on him with blows and slaps. He tries to run away. He lands in the hands of his bodyguards, who indeed continue also beating a honorable member. I am very sorry. We must call on the police to arrest PK Salasya immediately. And if the police don't arrest Salasya, we are not going to wait until Walunya is dead again for us to start marching, for us to start protesting. It is high time this barbaric act ends. Unite our people, do work for our people, bring development in our region, and that is what the people elected us to do. It is only the MCA who doesn't have a bodyguard, and that is why MCAs are fought left, right, center. If an MCA can't protect himself, where is he going to run for? Now it's being beaten by members of parliament. I also want to appeal to the security agents who are there. You know, even if you are a bodyguard to an MP, protect any other leader who is also present there. Not that you are protecting an MP fighting the other leader who has been fought